Space. No. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing some Zombs Royale. It's basically like Fortnite, just I look like a circle. Maybe.
Okay.
Yes! Assault AR. Yes! I love this game. I'm gonna beat this game. I'm about to win. Another. Oh, nice. That's a good one. Sniper. Semi-auto. Oh my god. How could this even? Come on. It's my first try playing this game. For your notice. There could not be any emotes. Just oh, get out of here. Get out of here. Oops. What the heck? Pump. Yes. Like a boss. The pump shotgun. Pump. Oh no, he took my pump. I hope he didn't take my pump. I just hope he didn't take my pump. Her pump was so good. It shot like 6 things at a time. Next round. I'm staying right here. Darn it, I thought he would never even. Gosh. He has a pump. Run away. At least it doesn't even know where. Oh, that was a shield potion. Going to a random house. Pump shotgun. Come on. I'm going. Oh, darn it. He took the sniper before I could even. That's a pump. Run. Won't let me go in. Let's suck at this kid. Come on through. Darn it. Take the stuff. Jeez. A chest. No one's guarding it. Yes. How did I get eliminated by him? He wasn't even doing anything. What does it say? Okay, I don't have it yet. Where might go? If everyone on the play is about right here, then I'll go when I'm about right here. So it's because there's one big purple house right here. So I could go through that house when everyone's going through these. Then apparently no one will find me. Oh gosh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh darn it. My plan did not work. As planned. SMG. Woohoo. Come on, the just take that right here. Let's see what's in this house. A pump. At least our assault rifle. Yes, a pump shotgun. Love it when I get a pump. Hee hee. Almost had a victory royale. Sorry. I'm not getting that. I already have one. A bolt action sniper. Someone's about to get wrecked. If I drop all my stuff, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, there's barely anyone here. 20? When there's a 10, I promise, if I get a victory royale, it'd be awesome. Guys approaching. Should have got a second pump. Don't know where anyone is. What is the problem? Like, is the gas right here? I'm in the gas. The gas is blue. Oh, I think this is the home I was supposed to go. I can't get anything now because half of the home is in the store. I don't know where anyone is. What is this? Whatever. I already have an SMG. Could use my bolt action to get the victory royale. I want to try that. Oh gosh, it's actually growing. Make my way to the middle. Just grow. No! No! I was doing so good! I had a pump shotgun. What a funny move I made, though. That's the most shameless move I've ever made. The worst move I've ever made. Ever. The worst move ever. Shameful move. Crap. Yeah, the assault. I'll be down with the pews. I mean, is you down too? I mean, he's so dead. Hide inside this house while I was. Run. He's going after me. Run. No. This guy's so annoying. He's trying to come after me. Yes, a chest. Come on, I stopped moving. Wait, am I inside the circle? I might be inside the circle. Wait, let me check if I'm inside. Okay, I'm inside the circle. Oh my gosh, go inside, Z's. Go inside, Z's. That's not Ninja. Ninja could not possibly be playing this game. Try the other door. There's all legendary inside there. All legendary. Chest. And that's really what I'm gonna... Oh, it's a rare. I literally have to click it. I can literally hear reloads everywhere. And this book. Numbers, yes, still in the circle. Storm is moving fast. He's right there, okay. Okay, absolutely. Ew. Just what a bad name. That's such a bad name. That's such a bad name. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. 7 likes all videos. Bye.